Hello! In this video, we'll guide you through the setup and syncing process of Acowebs Offload Media WordPress plugin. First, enter your license key and click Activate. Once activated, click on Let's Get Started to proceed. Click Next and choose your preferred service provider. You'll need to enter the required details, including your access key, secret key, and any other necessary credentials. Once the connection is successful, click Save Configuration to apply the settings. Now, let's move on to syncing media to the cloud. Navigate to the Sync Media to Cloud section and click Resume Syncing. Your media files will now begin syncing automatically. And that's it! You've successfully set up and synced your media. Thanks for watching.